Hi everyone and welcome back to Fitter with Lynette. Today I will be talking about power training, why it's very important and why you should be including it in your exercise routine. Power training is the body's ability to overcome resistance in the shortest amount of time, which in turn helps your body to produce higher velocities against a given load. As we age, muscle power reduces more swiftly than muscle strength, causing the person to slow down. Say you're crossing the road and you see the light changing. It's muscle power more than strength that helps you cross the road as fast as you can before the light changes. Another important factor is fall prevention, as you're working on improving your body's reactions to be more quick. Today I will be showing you 3 power moves that you can use in your exercise routine that will help build up the power in your muscles. And now let's get started. For the first example, I'm using the most common exercise, which is sit to stand, and turn it into a power move by performing it as quickly as possible, generating increased force with every movement. When the same exercise is done slowly with weights, it is strength training. This exercise is called side shuffle. These kind of exercises were initially used only in athletic training to train muscles for sudden burst of activity while playing sports. Our everyday activities also require us to react and generate force quickly, like in the example of crossing the road. It is highly critical that our bodies are trained for sudden bursts of activity to reduce risk of injury and enhance overall function. The last exercise that I'm doing is called floor to sky reach. When done slowly, this movement is a combination of our daily activities of reaching down to pick up something and reaching up. I have just added a power burst to these moves by doing it as quickly as possible. Make sure you do these exercises for 30 seconds each and repeat them for 3 to 5 rounds, or as many as you're able to. I hope you're able to understand the difference between power training and strength training, why it's important to train your muscle power, and why you should include this form of training in your exercise routine. I will see you next time. Take care everyone. Bye.